Welcome back to Technology in the Future, where we explore the latest advancements in the world of tech. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 MacBook Air M4, fueled by Apple's cutting-edge M4, M4 Pro, and M4 Max chips. Evolution of design, the MacBook Air's transformation. The MacBook Air has undergone a remarkable transformation since its inception. The 2022 M2 MacBook Air marked a significant design overhaul, introducing a sleeker profile, MagSafe charging, and two Thunderbolt 4 ports. This minimalist design has become synonymous with the Air, offering powerful performance in a remarkably portable package. As we look to the future, it's exciting to consider how the 2025 MacBook Air M4 will build upon this legacy. The 2024 cubic meters MacBook Air marked a significant upgrade, doubling the base RAM to 16 GB while maintaining the same sleek design. This change addressed a common criticism of previous models, ensuring smoother multitasking and future-proofing the device. Release timeline and design expectations. What to anticipate in 2025? Reliable sources indicate that the MacBook Air M4 models are already in production, hinting at an early 2025 release. Given Apple's consistent product cycles, we can expect the new Air models to launch around March, similar to the M3 MacBook Air's release in 2024. With this anticipated release, Apple is likely to refine the design and features of the MacBook Air, further solidifying its position as a premier laptop for creatives and professionals. While some enthusiasts may hope for a radical design overhaul, it's more likely that the 2025 MacBook Air M4 will retain the current design language. This means we can expect a slim, lightweight aluminum chassis, MagSafe charging, two Thunderbolt 4 ports, and a stunning liquid retina display with True Tone technology. Apple might introduce new color options to differentiate the M4 generation from its predecessors, providing a fresh aesthetic while maintaining the iconic MacBook Air design. A significant performance leap, unpacking the M4 chip's capabilities. The M4 chip promises to deliver a substantial performance upgrade. Leaked Geekbench scores reveal a notable boost in both single-core and multi-core performance compared to the M1 chip. The M4 MacBook Air models are expected to build upon the M3's foundation, offering robust RAM and storage options to cater to diverse user needs. In terms of RAM, we anticipate that the base configurations will continue to feature 16 GB, with configurable options extending up to 24 GB or potentially even 32 GB. This expanded RAM capacity will enable users to seamlessly multitask, run demanding applications, and enjoy a more responsive overall experience. Storage options, meeting the needs of modern users. Storage options for the M4 MacBook Air are likely to mirror the current lineup, offering a range of capacities including 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB, and 2 TB. Notably, a 512 GB base storage option would be a welcome upgrade for many users, providing ample space for files, applications, and multimedia content. One of the most significant advantages of the M4 chip is its remarkable power efficiency, which is poised to revolutionize battery life in the 2025 MacBook Air. Building upon the already impressive 18 hours of battery life offered by the current MacBook Air models, the M4's efficiency gains could potentially extend battery life to 20 hours or more. This substantial improvement would make the 2025 MacBook Air an even more attractive choice for professionals and individuals who require seamless on-the-go productivity, enabling them to work, create, and stay connected without worrying about running out of power. Despite the substantial performance and efficiency enhancements, Apple is expected to maintain a consistent pricing structure for the MacBook Air lineup. Our predictions suggest that the M4 MacBook Air will start at $1,099 for the 13-inch model and $1,299 for the 15-inch model. This strategic pricing decision makes the M4 Air an extremely compelling option for individuals seeking cutting-edge technology without sacrificing affordability. Affordability meets innovation. The M4 MacBook Air's value proposition. By maintaining a competitive price point, Apple is poised to make the M4 MacBook Air an attractive choice for a broad range of users, from students and professionals to creatives and entrepreneurs. This blend of innovation, performance, and affordability is likely to cement the M4 MacBook Air's position as a top contender in the laptop market.